The arid mountains of Puntland, Somalia, have borne witness to a momentous victory against the forces of terror. Operation Hilak, a meticulously planned and executed military campaign, has dealt a significant blow to the Islamic State of Iraq and the Levant, ISIL, in the region. This operation, spearheaded by the brave men and women of the Puntland security forces, marks a turning point in the fight against extremism in the Horn of Africa. For months, ISIL had been tightening its grip on the region, establishing strongholds and terrorizing local populations. Their reign of terror, however, was not to last. Operation Hilak, meaning lightning in Somali, was launched in December 2024, with the objective of dismantling ISIL's network and restoring peace to Puntland. The operation, which culminated in a decisive victory in February 2025, witnessed the Puntland security forces displaying extraordinary courage and tactical prowess. They were not alone in this fight. Crucial support came from international partners, including the United States and the United Arab Emirates, who provided air support and logistical expertise. This collaborative effort, driven by a shared commitment to eradicating terrorism, has sent a clear message. The world stands united against those who seek to sow chaos and fear. The success of Operation Hilak offers a beacon of hope, not just for the people of Puntland, but for all those threatened by the scourge of terrorism. Operation Hilak unfolded over several weeks, with the Puntland security forces making strategic advances into ISIL-controlled territory. Their objective was clear: to capture key ISIL strongholds and neutralize the threat posed by this dangerous group. One such stronghold was Kurar, a mountainous region that had become a haven for ISIL militants. The battle for Kurar was fierce, but the Puntland security forces, backed by air support from their international allies, fought with unwavering determination. The capture of Kurar marked a turning point in the operation, signaling that ISIL's grip on the region was weakening. Emboldened by their victory, the Puntland security forces pressed on, liberating other strategic locations, including the town of Shebab, which served as ISIL's headquarters. With each victory, the morale of the Puntland forces soared. While ISIL's ranks dwindled, their fighters either killed, captured, or forced to flee. The operation also yielded significant intelligence, including the discovery of a bomb-making facility in one of the captured strongholds. This discovery underscored the very real danger ISIL posed to the region and highlighted the importance of the operation in preventing future attacks. Operation Hilak was not just a victory for Somalia, it was a victory for the global fight against terrorism. The operation showcased the effectiveness of international cooperation, with countries coming together to confront a common threat. The United States, in particular, played a crucial role, providing air support that proved instrumental in neutralizing ISIL's defenses. U.S. Africa Command conducted precision airstrikes, targeting ISIL positions and infrastructure, while taking meticulous care to avoid civilian casualties. This air power, combined with the ground offensive by the Puntland security forces, proved decisive in breaking the back of ISIL in the region. The United Arab Emirates also provided invaluable support, demonstrating their commitment to regional stability. This collaboration between Somali forces and their international partners underscores the global nature of the fight against terrorism and the need for collective action to combat this menace. The international community also rallied around Somalia in the aftermath of the operation. The United Kingdom, for instance, pledged continued support, including medical supplies, to aid in the recovery and rebuilding process. Operation Hilak has undoubtedly made Puntland and the wider Horn of Africa region a safer place. The operation significantly degraded ISIL's capabilities, disrupting their networks and eliminating key leaders. However, the fight is far from over. ISIL, despite its losses, remains a potent threat, capable of regrouping and launching further attacks. The discovery of a sophisticated underground hideout belonging to Abdikadir Mumin, a top ISIL leader, serves as a stark reminder of the challenges that lie ahead. Mumin, though still at large, is believed to be on the run, his network disrupted, his movements hampered by the relentless pursuit of the security forces. The Puntland government, recognizing the ongoing threat, has called for continued vigilance, urging citizens to report any suspicious activities to the authorities. They understand that the fight against terrorism requires a whole-of-society approach, where citizens play an active role in safeguarding their communities. Operation HELAC has undoubtedly marked a turning point in the fight against terrorism in Somalia. However, the international community must remain steadfast in its support for Somalia, providing the necessary resources and assistance to ensure that the hard-won gains of Operation HELAC are not reversed.